Okay guys, we are at BeautyCon LA. Chama, say hi. You can see yourself. Anyways, I forgot my wristband, so hopefully they let me in with my ID. I hope they let me in. We're just waiting in line.
I know they were like,
Really?
piece of business card. Oh yeah, just launched my brand. If you use the code BeautyCon, you can get a pair of mink lashes for $13.49.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to take anything.
Lori Harvey is getting her makeup done. Oh yeah, we're gonna go get some food. Chama, what the hell?
I'm like, where did she go?
Where are you? I walked out.
I'm gonna ask her. It looks like we can come in, right?
I think so. Okay. Girl, I walked out, was talking to myself, talking about Chama and I getting some food. Chama ain't even here to get food with me. Okay guys, we're gonna go try and get some free things, some free bags with some free samples. I don't know, I think Kiss is having some stuff. What else did she say? Moda and some other eyelash place is giving away free stuff and the line isn't too long. I keep looking at the screen when I should be looking at the lens. Okay, we're off to get some free bags.
Riding low and flying high, we can reach the morning light. Come on baby, you should take my hand.
Okay, so we just took, what is that thing called? We just took pictures on the little swinging thing. It was hard to stay still and not fall out of that thing, but we did it. Oh my God, I almost lost it. Almost lost my picture. We're about to watch Megan Thee Stallion. Megan Thee Stallion's about to come on.
We brought you the best show on the fucking planet. Give it up for Kehlani! Happy BeautyCon. Yeah. Give it up for the hottest girl I know. Megan Thee Stallion. Hi. Real hot girl shit. Hot girl summer. We were throwing it back. We was driving a boat, you know what I'm saying? Like, the block was hot this summer.
Chama and I are looking for some bags to put our stuff because we have free things, but we don't have time to carry them all. It's too heavy. Is this the line? Is this the line?
I love your outfit so much.
Thank you. Oh, this is the line. Homegirl, this is the line. Okay, let's go. Other people have like 3 bags filled with stuff. We barely have anything. But we're gonna get some stuff. No worries. That sneeze was aggressive. I gotta get out. People are sneezing without covering their mouths. Where they do that at? At BeautyCon. At BeautyCon. Shama, really? Your whole feet. Oh, thank you. These people are giving such big things out. Oh my goodness. What is it called? What is it? Sunday Rain. Sunday Rain underscore? Thank you.
Wow, what is this?
I don't know, but I'm excited about it. She gave us 2.
I know.
They're just chunking it in. Yes, thank you. Ooh.
We also have organic lip balms too.
Organic what?
Lip balms.
Oh, thank you. I love this place already. Thank you. You guys, we're gonna try to win some stuff at Herbert's stand. We're gonna try to win some free stuff. Okay.
Doing the same motion.
Okay. This stage is so cute. You guys, they have collagen water here. Never heard of that until now. Okay guys, BeautyCon is over, so we're just getting some free stuff really quickly. Our bag is finally getting filled. Wait, I don't know if you guys can see. Finally, we thought we weren't gonna get anything, but we did. Shama, show your bag. Just show your bag. It's okay. Okay, we got free stuff. Anyway, everyone's heading out. This is the last day of BeautyCon. So sad about it, but yeah. I did my hair. I don't know why I thought I was a stylist this morning and did my hair like this. This is salon ready. This is a salon ready style, okay? And I did this myself. I'm actually proud. Maybe I'll do a video on this. Maybe I won't because I be saying I'll do a video and I don't. So yeah. Stay tuned. Yeah. We're gonna get sushi. But BeautyCon was a success. Guys, look at the Staples Center. What kind of camera do you use? Okay guys, so me and Chama left BeautyCon LA and now we're about to get some pho. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Guys, look at this cute little dress I got. Show them my video. Yes, I didn't end the vlog. I'm gonna end the vlog after this. What are you saying? I'm here with Chama. Look. That's Chama.
It's like you can take it and put it in there and take some of this.
Wow.
Take some of that.
You come here a lot.
But I don't like it like that. I just eat it regularly.
Solid food. You made a mess. Okay. This is our pho.